Well, that's what we got called out for. Windy day. But we'll get them. At least they're low. You didn't get to see the shake, but they got shook in there. They're all starting to come around. They're all fanning. Hopefully we got the queen. Keep an eye out for her. And all these ladies will have a new home. I actually just saw the queen. She actually went up around the edge of the box. Let's see if we can locate her again. Oh, there she is. There's the queen. I don't know if we got her on. Should have saw her. Well, should be good.